Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Ford Fusion. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from refrigerant. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off. The first crucial step is to locate the low-pressure AC service port, typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This port is usually marked with an L or a blue cap. Once you have located the low-pressure port, it's time to connect your AC recharge kit. Take the quick connect fitting on the end of the recharge hose and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. This prevents any refrigerant from escaping. Next, start your Ford Fusion's engine and turn the air conditioning system to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature setting. This activates the compressor. Now, with the engine running and AC on full, you can begin adding refrigerant. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger for about 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Release the trigger and check the pressure gauge on the hose. It's important to add refrigerant in short bursts to avoid overfilling the system. Continue this process, monitoring the gauge, until it reads within the manufacturer's recommended green zone for your vehicle. After the pressure gauge indicates the correct level, you are almost done. Carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. You might hear a small hiss, which is normal. Turn off your vehicle's engine. Now, test your AC system to ensure it is blowing cold air effectively. If your air conditioning still isn't performing as expected, or if you notice any leaks, it's best to consult a certified mechanic for a thorough inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.